Thank you for listening to our brief video on editing an essay or presentation. We're just going to share a couple tips for you to keep in mind. There are 5 valued practices for editing. If you keep these practices in mind, you'll get a lot out of your writing process. We'll go through each one, but here the 5 are. First is write, then edit. Then is get a second set of eyes to look at your work. Third is to take breaks. Fourth is to read backwards and out loud. And fifth is to use your resources. So first, step 1, write, then edit. You want to get all of your ideas down first, and then take a break and let the paper or presentation gel. You should return to it with a fresh set of eyes and begin to edit. You might ask why this is. Well, you use a different part of your brain to edit than you do to write. Trying to do both at once can lead to writer's block, incomplete thoughts, and fragmented sentences, and a poor flowing essay or presentation. Give yourself space to write and then edit, and give yourself the time to do it too. Step 2, get a second set of eyes to look over your work. Edit first on your own, but then ask someone else to take a look. It can be helpful to give yourself time to look for someone who isn't familiar with your topic, as if they're confused, you might need to explain something more carefully, is trained to give writing advice, and you can ask questions of to clarify points. Places to go are the Writing Center at Kenyon and your professor during his, her, or their office hours. Step 3, take breaks. Just like cramming for a test is bad because it doesn't allow you to retain as much information, constantly writing, editing, and/or practicing a presentation can work in much the same way. You need to step away, let the material gel, and then come back to it with fresh eyes. A good break will last at least 15 to 30 minutes. You should also remember to get a good night's sleep. There is no substitute for sleep when it comes to success in your writing. Step 4, read backwards and out loud. Start with the last paragraph of your essay first and read your essay backwards from that last paragraph to yourself to see if everything aligns properly. We often spend so much time reading from the intro down that we start all our papers editing strong, but as we edit along, our changes grow weaker and our papers and presentations end less confidently. You can also ask someone else to read your paper out loud to you or record yourself reading it out loud and then play it back. We hear different errors than we see, and so engaging with as many of our senses as possible allows us to edit more fully. Again, when possible, we don't all have the same accessibility, but asking tutors to step in and help is a great idea here. Step 5, that brings us to it. Use your resources. As you edit, are you finding you need more materials? Chalmers Library Research Guides, librarians, and research desk are here to help. Would you like another set of eyes and you're not sure who to ask? Our Writing Center liaisons and consultants are here for you. And are you not sure you're addressing all issues outlined in your project's assignment prompt? Your professor has office hours. You should definitely use them. Thank you. You can make appointments at the Writing Center by going to owl.kenyon.edu. If you'd like a copy of the slides used in this video, you can email me, Professor Scanlon, at scanlon1@kenyon.edu. Thanks again, and good luck on finals.